If you are working inside of a Google Doc or Slides or something else for another class and you need to share it with a partner, you are simply going to press share and type in the name of that person. Now you have to keep in mind that when you do this, you, the person sharing, are the owner of this document. Therefore, you are the one that needs to turn it in. So if I shared this file with Mr. Schuback, if I'm the student in the class, I share it with Mr. Schuback, he's my partner, and he goes to try to turn in this assignment, it is not going to work because he is not the owner. So that's something to keep in mind when sharing. But you want to make sure that when you're doing this, that you are giving that person editing access so that way you can both work on the file. If you have multiple people, you each need to have access to it, and then the original owner still needs to be the one to turn it in. If it is a document that you create on your own, not inside Google Classroom, then any of your group members may turn it in.